Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for a broker for trading gold, Bitcoin, Forex, and indices, then today's video is for you. In this video, we'll do a complete review of JustMarkets Broker, including spreads, execution speed, deposits and withdrawals, leverage, pros and cons, and whether it is actually good for scalping and day trading. So, make sure you watch till the end before opening your account. Let's begin. What is JustMarkets? JustMarkets is an international Forex and CFD broker that offers trading in Forex, gold, Bitcoin, crypto, indices, and commodities. It is popular among retail traders because of low minimum deposit, high leverage options, fast account opening, crypto deposit and withdrawal support, MT4 and MT5 platform availability, and especially for traders who want to start with a small account, like $30, $50, or $100. This makes it attractive for challenge accounts and small account flipping strategies. Account types. JustMarkets offers multiple account types. The most popular ones are Standard Account, Pro Account, Raw Spread Account, Standard Cent Account. For serious traders, especially gold and BTC traders, Pro Account and Raw Spread Account are usually better. Why? Because spreads are tighter, and execution is faster. Raw Spread accounts may charge commission, but spreads are lower. This is useful for scalpers and intraday traders. If you are trading gold frequently, spread matters a lot. Even a small difference can affect your profits over time. Spreads and execution. Now let's talk about the most important thing, spreads. For gold, XAUUSD, and Bitcoin, BTCUSD, spreads can vary depending on market volatility. During normal sessions, gold spreads are usually competitive. BTC spreads are decent for retail traders. Execution speed is generally fast. This is important for traders using price action, liquidity zones, scalping entries, London session trading, news trading. Compared to some brokers, JustMarkets gives smoother execution for small and medium lot sizes. But during major news events, spreads can widen significantly. So, avoid overleveraging during high-impact news. Deposits and withdrawals. This is where many traders care the most. JustMarkets supports bank transfer, UPI in some regions, crypto deposits, USDT withdrawals, local payment methods, e-wallets. Withdrawals are usually processed quickly, depending on the method used. Crypto withdrawals are often faster than bank withdrawals. For Indian traders, this can be a major advantage. Always verify your account properly before withdrawal to avoid delays. KYC matters. Do not ignore verification. Leverage. JustMarkets offers high leverage, and this attracts many traders. You may get leverage like 1, 500, 1, 1000, even higher, depending on account type and region. Now listen carefully. High leverage is powerful, but dangerous. It does not make you profitable. Discipline does. Most traders blow accounts, not because of bad strategy, but because of bad risk management. If you use high leverage without stop loss, the market will punish you. So, use leverage wisely, not emotionally. Is JustMarkets good for gold and BTC trading? My honest answer, yes, especially for small account traders. If your main focus is gold scalping, BTC intraday trading, session-based entries, small account growth, challenge-style trading, then JustMarkets can be a solid option. But remember, broker alone does not make profits. Your psychology does, your discipline does, your risk management does. Many traders keep changing brokers when the real issue is overtrading. Fix the trader first, then the broker helps. Pros and cons. Let's keep it honest. Pros: low minimum deposit, high leverage, fast withdrawals, MT4 and MT5 support, crypto friendly, good for gold and BTC traders, easy account opening, good for beginners. Cons: spread widening during news. Some regions may have limitations. High leverage can destroy undisciplined traders. No broker is perfect. Choose based on your trading style, not based on hype. Final verdict. So, should you use JustMarkets? If you are a disciplined trader looking for fast execution, reasonable spreads, crypto withdrawals, gold and BTC trading, small account flexibility, then yes, it is worth trying. But start small, test withdrawals first, check execution on demo and live accounts, and never risk money you cannot afford to lose. Trading is not gambling, it is a business. Treat it like one. Also, if you are planning to open a JustMarkets account, make sure to use the link mentioned in the description below. By opening your account through that link, you may get additional benefits, special bonuses, and extra support that normal direct registrations may not provide. So, before you sign up, check the description first and use the official link provided there. It helps both you and the channel. Trade smarter, not harder. If this review helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I also post live gold and BTC trading sessions, real-time market analysis, and trading psychology content for serious traders. Comment below, which broker are you currently using, JustMarkets, IC Markets, XAUUSD, or something else? I'd love to know. See you in the next video. Trade smart, trade disciplined, trade like a professional. Peace.